Pamukkale, the Cotton Castle. High in the hills of southwestern Turkey, there is a place unlike any other. From a distance, it looks as if a giant castle of snow has frozen on the earth. But it is not snow. It is white mineral terraces, soft and bright, flowing down the hills like frozen waterfalls. Locals call this place Pamukkale, which means cotton castle. Warm water flows from natural springs at the top of the terraces, beginning a process that has shaped this landscape for thousands of years. The water is rich in minerals, slowly creating pools that glisten in the sunlight. Some are deep enough to stand in, while others are shallow, reflecting the sky like mirrors. When the sun rises, the terraces shine like pearls, and in the evening, they glow like clouds of gold and white. The terraces are not just beautiful, they are ancient. Nature has built them over thousands of years, layer by layer, drop by drop. Every step you take must be careful, because the fragile surface can break easily. Walking here feels like stepping on a dream that nature itself created. Near the terraces, ruins of an ancient city lie quietly. This was Hierapolis, a city that grew thousands of years ago. The people who lived here believed the waters of Pamukkale had healing powers. They built temples, baths, theaters, and streets from stone, blending perfectly with the white terraces. Visitors today can still walk on the streets of Hierapolis and imagine life in the past. The terraces and the ancient city together create a magical place. It is easy to feel small under the bright sun and vast white hills. If you listen carefully, you can almost hear the whispers of history. People bathing in the warm waters, praying in temples, and walking along stone streets long ago. But Pamukkale is fragile. Too many visitors or careless steps can damage the terraces. Scientists, archaeologists, and guides work carefully to protect the site, making sure its beauty and history are preserved. The people of Hierapolis believed that the hot mineral springs had magical powers. Sick or weak visitors traveled for days, hoping to bathe in the warm waters and regain their health. Priests and healers performed rituals near the springs, giving advice and prayers to those in need. Many believed that the water could cure diseases of the body and spirit. The city also had a large Roman theater where citizens gathered for plays, ceremonies, and festivals. The theater was built on stone terraces, overlooking the white hills, creating a connection between human creativity and nature. Even today, the theater's walls and seats remain, echoing the voices of people who watched performances thousands of years ago. Hierapolis was not only a city of healing, but also a place of mystery. Archaeologists discovered ancient inscriptions and tombs, showing that the city was a center of culture, religion, and trade. Some tombs are hidden underground, waiting for explorers to find them. Some say that the city's founders chose this location because the white terraces seemed like a bridge between earth and heaven. Despite earthquakes, time, and the movement of the terraces, Hierapolis survived for centuries. Visitors walking among its ruins can see the walls, columns, and stone streets, imagining the life that once filled the city. They can picture children playing, merchants selling goods, priests performing ceremonies, and travelers soaking in the healing waters. Pamukkale and Hierapolis together create a unique harmony of nature and human ingenuity. The terraces rise like a frozen waterfall, while the city stands proudly at the top, whispering stories of the past. It is a place where history, mystery, and natural beauty meet, inviting every visitor to explore, wonder, and dream. Pamukkale is not only famous for its white terraces and the ancient city of Hierapolis, it is also a place full of legends and mysteries. For thousands of years, people have told stories about the healing powers of the waters. Some say that a simple bath could cure illnesses, ease pain, and even make a person stronger and healthier than before. Local legends tell of priests who performed rituals in the warm pools, calling the waters gifts from the gods. Travelers came from faraway lands, guided by the stories that the springs could heal both body and soul. Many of these stories were written in inscriptions and stone tablets found in Hierapolis, showing how important the waters were to ancient people. But Pamukkale also has a more mysterious side. Beneath the terraces and the city, archaeologists have discovered tunnels, tombs, and hidden chambers. Some of these are sealed, untouched for thousands of years. Some believe that treasures, sacred objects, or even secret scrolls could lie hidden in the underground chambers. Another mystery is how the terraces themselves were formed. Scientists know that the hot mineral waters create the white limestone steps, but the speed, size, and perfect shapes of the terraces seem almost unnatural. Ancient people might have thought that heaven itself touched the earth here, and it is easy to see why. They look like frozen clouds cascading down the hills. Visitors often feel a strange sense of calm and wonder when walking on the terraces. Some say they feel a connection to the past, as if the spirits of the ancient city are still watching, protecting the land and whispering stories. Others say that time seems to slow down, allowing them to truly see the beauty and mystery of Pamukkale. Pamukkale is a place where history, nature, and legend meet. Every step, every pool, and every stone has a story to tell. And for those who visit, it is easy to understand why this cotton castle has been treasured for thousands of years, not only as a place of healing, but also as a place of wonder and mystery. Today, Pamukkale is one of the most visited natural wonders in the world. Tourists come from every corner of the globe to walk carefully along the white terraces and to bathe in the warm, mineral-rich waters. Visitors are amazed by the brilliant white steps, the sparkling blue pools, and the sense of history and mystery that fills the air. The terraces and the ancient city of Hierapolis are carefully protected. Certain areas are closed to visitors to prevent damage, and people are asked to walk barefoot on the terraces to preserve their fragile surfaces. Signs explain the history of the city, the legends of the waters, and the importance of caring for this unique site. Pamukkale is also a place of science and research. Archaeologists continue to study Hierapolis, uncovering ancient temples, tombs, and artifacts. Geologists and environmental scientists study the terraces, learning how the hot mineral springs slowly shape the land. The combination of natural beauty and human history makes Pamukkale a living classroom for understanding the world. Even with tourism, Pamukkale retains a sense of magic and calm. Early in the morning, before the crowds arrive, the terraces glow under the rising sun, and the pools mirror the sky like giant mirrors. It is a quiet, almost spiritual experience, connecting visitors to nature, history, and legend at the same time. Pamukkale today is more than a tourist attraction. It is a symbol of harmony between nature and humanity. It reminds us that some places are sacred, deserving of respect, care, and admiration. The terraces continue to grow slowly, the waters continue to flow, and the stories of Hierapolis continue to whisper across the hills, waiting for each visitor to listen. Pamukkale is a place that shows the beauty of nature and history together. The white terraces are the result of thousands of years of slow natural processes, and the city of Hierapolis reminds us of human effort, culture, and belief. Walking through Pamukkale, visitors can see how the past and present meet. The pools, terraces, and ancient streets tell stories of people who lived long ago, worked hard, and believed in the powers of nature. At the same time, tourists today enjoy the warm waters and the peaceful landscape, connecting with the same place in a new way. The real magic of Pamukkale is not in myths or legends. It is in the experience itself. It is in feeling the warm water on your skin, seeing the white terraces under the sun, and imagining the city as it was thousands of years ago. It teaches us to respect nature, appreciate history, and enjoy the simple moments of beauty around us. Pamukkale is a reminder that some places are unique and must be preserved. For those who visit, Pamukkale is not just a place to see. It is a place to feel, reflect, and remember.